Hello children, hope you and your family safe at your place. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in your new session class 4th. This is Manmeet ma'am and now I will take your SST classes. Here I am starting with the first chapter, that is public and private property. In this chapter we will learn about types of property, meaning of public property, meaning of private property, and need to preserve public properties. So, before knowing the difference between private and public property, we should know about what is property. Okay, so property can be defined as that which belonging to some individuals or groups. Okay, that means property is something that is owned by someone. For example, someone buys a car, so the car becomes their property. There are two types of a property. ठीक है, प्रॉपर्टी टू टाइप्स की होती है, फर्स्ट पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी एंड सेकंड प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी. Now I am going to explain about what is private property. So private property is also known as personal property. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपको नाम से ही समझ में आ रहा है, प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी को हम और क्या बोलते हैं, पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी. सो द प्रॉपर्टी विच इज़ ओन्ड बाय अ सिंगल पर्सन आर अ स्मॉल ग्रुप. For example, at home, all the furniture, utensils, etc. are shared by the family member. So these are the private property of the family, and all members take care of their private property so that it's last longer. Same in school, desk, benches, etc. are private property. These are used by the student of the school and they should take care of them. Some example of private property, you can see furniture, utensils, school benches. Okay, so that you also observe in your surrounding what is private property and what others can be the examples of private property. I'm going to explain about public property. So public property, also known as national property. Public property are called assets. That means um the property which is for the joint use of the people of the country, that is known as public property. That means public property को हमारी country में जो भी लोग हैं they can freely use, that is known as public property. For example, road, lakes, buses, these comes in a public property. We can also classify the public property into three main types. In first category, public property includes road, railway, buses, power stations, telephones, etc. In second type of public property includes government offices, lakes, parks, playgrounds, and museum. And in the third type, all the historical moments such as forts, stoops, towers, temples, and caves comes in the third category. So these are the some examples of public property, and you can classify it into the three groups. Okay. Here are some examples of public property like monuments, road, lakes, and also I have given so many examples, and now you got the meaning of public property. So easily you can find so many examples of public property. Okay. Our next topic is need to preserve public property. Public property को बचाने की और उसकी केयर करने की क्या नीड है. Okay. So the first point is it has public ownership and it is built for the public welfare. Second, a lot of money is invested in the buildings and their maintenance. So it is our loss if we damage them, because the money which government are using to maintain these public property, actually we pay that amount in the terms of taxes. So basically it is our loss. Okay. The third point, it is a part of the country infrastructure and it is collective owned by the nation. And the last, the government has tried its best to provide facilities such as good transport system, health centers, and education system. So therefore we should cooperate and help our government to preserve public property. So children, these are the some points to preserve public property. I hope you guys understand. And also by protecting public property, we help our nation and also government to progress them. Okay, children, this much for today. Hope you have enjoyed this session and also learned so many things about public and private property. Here I'm giving you some exercises related to this chapter. Hope you can do it very easily with the help of this video and the material which we have provided. Okay, thank you so much. Stay home, stay healthy, and also keep learning.